2 minutes is happening today. Let's go. What's up everybody, Peter McKinnon here and welcome back to yet another 2 Minute Tuesday. It's so great to have you here and see all of your smiling faces, and today we are talking about the popular LumaFade transition. Now, I put this in my Iceland vlog last week. You guys loved it. I got so many comments and emails and the usual of people wanting me to teach this today in this 2 Minute Tuesday. Now, this is a popular editing technique. I did not create this. I did not discover this. Actually, if I was to say, I think editors like Sam Kolder are the people that actually made this transition popular and trendy. So with that being said, it's very easy to do. Let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is 2 clips within Premiere Pro, so drag those onto your timeline. Once you have them, we're gonna use this slow motion shot here from Iceland, and then also we're gonna use this flock of birds shot. And the reason I like this shot is because we've got very contrasting colors, black and white. So it's gonna make it very easy to LumaFade those 2 separate elements out of that shot. I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna bring up the speed duration here. We're gonna change that to 300, see if that makes these birds flying a little faster so it's not as slow. Maybe we could probably go 400 on that one, so let's tweak that. Boof, there we go, 400. And then what you wanna do is nest that sequence. So right click, go up to where it says nest, click that, hit OK, you are good to go. Now we can add the LumaFade transition. Go over to your effects panel, type in gradient. Drag that gradient white transition onto your clip, and that's gonna open up these settings over here. So what we wanna do is start a stopwatch keyframe at 0%, go to the end of our clip and type in 100 and enter. So now we've keyframed that transition in from its beginning to its end over that period of time using those keyframes, and it looks something like this. The only problem is we don't want that transition to actually fade in at the end. We want it to fade in at the beginning. So instead of starting at 0, we're gonna start at 100 with that keyframe, and then we're gonna keyframe that all the way to 0 at the very end of the clip. Basically just reversing what we did. Now when we put that over top and we play that back, you'll notice the transition happens at the beginning of the clip, which is great. But there's still one problem, the birds aren't dark yet. So just go over here, click invert gradient, and now when we play that clip back, you'll notice that the birds appear black and then the rest of that shot fades in over time. Now, if you want to stylize that shot a little more, you can add some speed ramps in, punch in and out, something like this, and you've got a little bit more of a stylized LumaFade. I hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like button if you did, smash it if that's something that you're into, subscribe if you aren't already, and guys, I will see you in the next one.